Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure HubSpot for effective marketing automation, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Automation tab in the main menu. Click on Workflows to start setting up your marketing automation. In the Workflows section, click on the Create Workflow button. Choose the type of workflow you want to create. Select Start from Scratch for complete flexibility. Next, you will see options for trigger criteria. Choose a trigger that aligns with your marketing goals, like a form submission or a list membership. After selecting a trigger, click Set Enrollment Triggers. Define the specific criteria for the trigger and click Done. Now, it's time to add actions to your workflow. Click on the plus icon to open the action menu. You can choose from various actions such as sending emails, adding to lists, or assigning tasks. Select Send Email if you want to send an automated follow-up email. Create a new email or select an existing one from your email templates. Once you've set up your email action, click Save. Continue adding actions based on your marketing plan. You can also set delays between actions if necessary. After you've added all actions, review your workflow to ensure everything is set correctly. Once satisfied, click the Review and Publish button. Confirm your settings, and then click Turn On to activate your workflow. Now your workflow is live and will begin automating your marketing tasks. Monitor the performance of your workflow by checking the analytics in the Workflows section. Adjust your workflows as needed based on the performance data you collect. You'll find that with regular optimization, your marketing automation in HubSpot will become even more effective. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.